Good morning, my little ones. A very warm welcome to Senior KG class. I am your Prerna ma'am. I hope you are enjoying our learning sessions. Yesterday I taught you about sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Sense organs help us to know about the things around us. Let's revise them once again. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes. We have 2 eyes. They help us to see. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. हम eyes की help से ही अपने आसपास की चीज़ों के colors और shapes को देख पाते हैं. Ears. We have 2 ears. They help us to hear. Ears help us to hear different sounds around us. Ears की help से ही हम loud और soft sound में differentiate कर पाते हैं. Nose. We have 1 nose. It helps us to smell. The smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flour, garbage, etc. can only be known with the help of the nose. Tongue. We have 1 tongue. It helps us to taste food and to speak. हम tongue की help से ही different tastes जैसे sweet, sour, bitter और salty में differentiate कर पाते हैं. Skin. We have skin all over our body. It helps us to feel soft, hard, hot, cold, etc. Let's write sense organs in the notebook. Today's date is 1.10.2020. Now we have to write the heading. For writing heading, we have to leave 2 finger space and write sense. For writing S, first letter is capital, S is capital and rest all the letters are small. E, N, S, E. Sense. Now leave 1 finger space. Capital O, R, G, A, N, S. Organs. Sense organs. Now we have to write numbers before margin line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to cross the line. Again we have to write number 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we draw 2 lines against first 5 numbers, 1 and 2. We have to draw 1 more line against next 5 numbers, which should be in the middle. First word is eyes. For writing eyes, first we have to write capital E. We have to draw a standing line from red to second blue line. Then A sleeping line, long sleeping line on red line, short sleeping line on blue line, then again long sleeping line on second blue line. For Y, we have to make a slanting line between blue lines and another long slanting line till red line. For E, slanting line and a curve. For S, C and reverse C between blue lines. E, Y, E, S. Eyes. We have two eyes. They help us to see. Now next word is ears. First we have to write capital E. Standing line, long sleeping line, short sleeping line, then again long sleeping line. For small a, we have to make a curve, go up and come in a standing line. For R, standing line, go up and make a curve. For S, C and reverse C. E-A-R-S, ears. We have two ears. They help us to hear. Now, next word. Next word is nose. For writing nose, first we have to write capital N. For capital N, we have to make a standing line from red to second blue line. Then go up till red line and make a slanting line till second blue line. Again go up in a standing line till red line. For O, we have to make a circle between blue lines. For S, C curve, reverse C curve. For E, slanting line and a curve. N-O-S-E, nose. We have one nose. It helps us to smell. Now, next word. It's tongue. First we have to draw a sleeping line. Then a standing line in the middle. For O, circle between blue lines. N, standing line, go up and make a curve. G, curve, go up, come down to red line and make a small curve. U, like this. And for E, slanting line and a curve. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We have one tongue. It helps us to taste food and to speak. Now, next word. Next word is skin. First we have to write capital S. For capital S, C and reverse C. Then for K, standing line, we have to come to the middle and make a slanting line. Leave some space and make another slanting line till second blue line. Then for I, standing line and a small dot. For N, standing line, go up and make a curve. S-K-I-N, skin. We have skin all over our body. It helps us to feel soft, hard, hot, cold, etc. Let's revise all the words. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-A-R-S, ears. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. S-K-I-N, skin. Children, you have to write each word 5 times like this in your notebook. Now it's time for activity. Today we will do an activity related to sense of hearing. Here I have 5 boxes with different sounds. Some boxes have loud sound and some boxes have soft sound. Let's hear all the sounds. Now we have to find out the loudest sound box. This box has the loudest sound, so I'll place it against number 1. अब कितने boxes बच गए? We have 4 boxes. Now we have to find out the loudest sound in these 4 boxes. This box has the loudest sound, so I will place it against number 2. अभी कितने boxes रह गए? 3 boxes. Now we have to find the loudest sound in these 3 boxes. Yes, this box has the loudest sound. So I will place it against number 3. अब कितने boxes हैं? 2. So we have to find out the loud sound in these 2 boxes. Yes. This box has the loud sound, so I will place it against number 4. And this box has softest sound, so I will place it against number 5. This is an interesting activity. You should do it at home. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.